Welcome back. Today I am sharing complete Wise app tutorial and review. So what is Wise? W-I-S-E. It's basically a money transfer app that lets you send money internationally at real exchange rate with very low fees. First of all, come to your Google Play Store or App Store if you are iPhone user. Then just come to the search bar and search WISE. Alright, if you want to send and receive worldwide money or want to do international transactions or money transfer, then this is the must-have application for you. So what is WISE? I explain it completely, but it has some key features. For example, multi-currency account, international debit card, transparent fees, instant transfers, and support for 70 plus countries. Now it's supported in 70 plus countries. Now how to use Wise? It's very simple. Just download the application from App Store or Play Store, sign up, verify your ID and money via bank via bank or card, and send it directly to another bank account worldwide. Alright, and the big question is Wise safe or not? Yes, Wise is FCN and FinCEN, FINCE and regulated, uses bank level encryption and is trusted by millions of users globally. I hope it's helpful for you, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick finance app guides. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.